This is my step-by-step tutorial for Rocket to the Sun line dance, which is an absolute beginner level line dance. It starts, all you're gonna do is walk forward. Right, right, then kick with your left foot, kick. Then using your left foot, take steps backwards. So then left, left, touch. And that is your first set of 8 counts for the dance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next section of the dance is just a grapevine to the right and a grapevine to the left. So then grapevine to the right, touch, grapevine to the left, touch, which also happens to be your second set of 8 counts. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those 2 sections together, walking forward and back, and the grapevines. Walk, right, kick, back, touch, grapevine to the right, touch, grapevine to the left, touch. And now your third section is just 2 V steps. And a V step is you're going to make a V shape on the floor. You step to the front, so step out right, step out left, then bring it back together. Then back together right, back together left. And you do that 2 times. So then out, back together. And that is your third section of 8 counts. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those three sections of the dance all together. So walking forward, right, kick, back, touch, grapevine to the right, touch, grapevine to the left, touch, V step, and V step. The last section of the dance is just just simple steps. So it's just step, touch to the right, then step, touch to the left. And then we're just gonna take 4 steps, but we're going to be rotating to the right, and we're gonna end up facing this wall. So it's just right, left, and that is our wall change. It's a very simple wall change, but it's a little bit of an unusual way to do the wall change. So the last section of the dance with the 8 counts before putting it all together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the whole dance. Okay, all 4 sections together with the steps. Walking forward and back. So right, kick, back, touch, grapevine to the right, touch, grapevine to the left, touch. 2 V steps, and again, step, touch, Now we're gonna end up facing this way, walking right, left, right, kick, touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, the V steps, step, touch, walk, walk. Okay, this last time I'll do all 4 sections with the 8 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did want to mention there is 1 restart in this. I believe it's after you've done the routine 5 times. And it's right, I believe, at the start of the second verse of the song. And you'll do after the first 8 counts, you just go right again back to the start. So do that same set of 8 counts again. So those restarts are there just to keep you in time with the music. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you subscribed, and check out the demo in the description of this dance being done to music so you can see what it looks like.